Hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And one Monday we had missed it, but we were very much occupied with the resin art workshops which are going on at the studio. So before we start with this vlog, हमारा last week में एक proper detailed 3 to 4 days का workshop था, which was an online coating workshop, and it turned out to be super great. The students have created such beautiful artworks. आप vlog में आगे देखोगे. And if you are someone who would be interested to learn in depth about something or create something for your own home, be it a wall clock, a name plate, or any mantra frame. जस्ट लाइक जैसे कि मैं गुजराती हूँ तो हमें जैसे नवकार मंत्र होता है, तो इन सिमिलर वे इफ यू वांट टू क्रिएट एनीथिंग लाइक दैट, you can feel free to reach out to me, and I would be very much happy to conduct a workshop for you. And yes, let me know how do you like the video. And yes, as you can see over here, that this was just a glimpse of what they have created in our 3-day workshop. And this is the day one where I'm explaining कि कौन सा करेक्ट बेस आपको यूज़ करना है, बेस को प्राइम कैसे करना है, उसे प्रिपेयर कैसे करना है फॉर अ लाइटर थीम, फॉर अ डार्कर थीम, that how you have to prepare it. And then I'm showing how to mix the resin, how to calculate the resin, which type of resin to use for the coating. And here he would be doing the dirty pour technique, जिससे जो ब्लू कलर का गैलेक्सी थीम है, that he would be creating. And here the ma'am has created a marble theme, pink marble theme on her first day, and here we are popping out the bubbles where I'm showing it how to use the heat gun and the correct materials. And here Amruta ji, she is making her wall clock of the emerald shade and white pearl white shade, like a combination of both of it, which is suitable to her home background and the sofa color. And this is the output from our first day. और यहाँ पर this is the second day where we are doing the placement of the नवकार मंत्र, and जहाँ पे correct use of stencil कैसे करना है. And your ma'am had decided to change the theme, and we mixed a different set of colors, and then we did the dirty pour technique because she liked it very much. And this is how the purple one has turned out to be. And to my surprise, even I hadn't used a purple color before, so it turned out very pretty. And here we on the third day we are doing the placement of the Navkar mantra. And yes, this is the use of the stencil so that you get a perfect measurements, and the hassle, you save that hassle and
बरोबर છે ને કરી શકાય ને થોડા દિવસ આના કોઈ ડિઝાઇન ચેન્જ કરજો પાછું નાખીને ઉપર મારજો તમને તો આવડે છે
6 મહિના પછી પાછું ચેન્જ
And here on the last day, there was a small session of doubt clearance, कि how to do the business, what things to do, what things not to do, where to buy the raw materials from, etc etc. तो उनके जो भी doubts थे, I cleared them. And after the 3 days of workshop, on the fourth day when they had come to collect their artworks, I showed them how to do the finishing on the back side of it, of the artwork too, and this is how it looks.
ઓકે હાય મારું નામ હિમાંશુ છે અને હું એકચ્યુઅલી ડાયમંડ બિઝનેસમાં છું, પણ મને અલગ અલગ વસ્તુ શીખવાનો બહુ શોખ છે અને કલરફુલ વસ્તુ મને બહુ જ ગમે છે. અને જ્યારે મેં રેઝિન આર્ટ જોયું શ્લોકભાઈનું, ત્યારે મને એટલું સેટિસ્ફાઈંગ લાગ્યું જોઈને, એ જે રીતે બનાવ્યું છે પ્લસ એની લુક, એનું જે એક ફિનિશિંગ, કે હું એનાથી એકદમ જ એટ્રેક્ટ થઈ ગયો. તો હું આજે રહું છું વિલે પાર્લે, પણ જસ્ટ બિકોઝ ઓફ આમની ફિનિશિંગ અને એમની જે બનાવેલી વસ્તુઓ મને એટલી ગમી કે હું ત્યાંથી મુલુંડ સ્પેશિયલી એમના વર્કશોપ માટે આવ્યો છું. અને બહુ જ સરસ રહી વર્કશોપ. અમને જે પણ શીખડાવ્યું એ બહુ જ સારી રીતે અને એકદમ જ હમ્બલથી શીખડાવ્યું છે. બહુ જ મજા આવી શીખવાની. ધીસ ઇઝ માય ફર્સ્ટ ટાઈમ અને મને એમ લાગે છે કે હું આ કરી શકું છું. અને શ્લોકભાઈએ જે રીતે મને આમાં શીખડાવ્યું છે અને જે રીતે મને સપોર્ટ કર્યો છે એવી રીતે મને લાગે છે કે હું આ વસ્તુમાં ઘણું બધું આગળ કરી શકું છું. તો આ મારો શોખ હું આવી રીતે પૂરો કરીશ. અને થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ શ્લોકભાઈને કે આજે બહુ જ યંગ છે અને એ સ્ટેજ પર આ યંગમાં એ સારામાં સારા સ્ટેજ પર છે અને એમને સારામાં સારી સમજ છે આ બધી જ વસ્તુઓની, કલર્સની હોય કે આ રેઝિન આર્ટની હોય કે બધી જ વસ્તુમાં જે કરવાની હોય બહુ જ સારી સમજ છે. અને આઈ એમ રિયલી થેન્કફુલ ટુ હિમ એન્ડ બેસ્ટ ઓફ લક ટુ હિમ. અમારા આવ્યા પછી આજે એમના 10K પ્લસ ફોલોઅર્સ થયા છે એની માટે હું પોતાને પણ લકી ગણું છું અને એમને પણ લકી ગણું છું મારા કારણે પણ ઇટ્સ વેરી ગુડ. અને આવા 1 લાખ ફોલોઅર થાય એમના અને આઈ વિશ દેટ.
मेरा नाम नीपा शाह है। मेरी एज 54 इयर्स है। मैं श्लोक भाई के पास यहाँ रेजिन आर्ट का फ्रेम सीखने आई थी और उन्होंने मुझे इतना सरस से समझाया और इतना मस्त सिखाया और इतना नॉलेज दिया है जो आज तक मैंने किधर भी नहीं देखा। और उसका फिनिशिंग वगैरह इतना मस्त है कि दिल खुश हो गया।
Thank you, Anand.
Hello, hi guys, I am Amrita. So I had enrolled for a resin clock workshop with Shlok at Kazan's Art Workshop, and it's been absolute pleasure learning how to make a resin clock so much in detail. And he really puts his heart into teaching, and he does a very fine job of teaching, and not just teaching, but the entire artwork comes out really well. And I would highly recommend him for a not just clock. He does many other art forms, so you can get in touch with him, check out his page for more detail. And I'm happy that I enrolled for this workshop for my clock. Thank you.
So this was the end of a 3-day workshop at our studio, which is in Mulund, Mumbai. You can search it out on Google for our complete address, and you can see that the students who were literally two of them were first timers, and you can look at the type of finish they have done in their artworks. And if you are someone who is already a resin artist or even a beginner who haven't even tried resin or had a look at it, at how does it look and how to make it, you can make it too. ये तो and look at their age, they are almost like 50 plus, and still they have, you know, this attitude of learning something from me who is like, you know, less than, you know, half of their age. सो इट वॉज अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल सेशन. यहाँ पे तो आपने सिर्फ एक ग्लिम्स देखा था कि कैसा था वर्कशॉप. एंड या इवन इफ यू आर एज एन आर्टिस्ट हु वांट टू अपस्किल देयर वर्क, कि आपको आपके आर्ट वर्क्स की क्वालिटी, फिनिशिंग, सब कुछ और अच्छे से करनी है, तो यू कैन फील फ्री टू रीच आउट टू मी. आई वुड बी मेंशनिंग माय कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स below in the description, or you can reach out to me via Instagram also. uh, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, see you next Monday. और अगर हम और थोड़े occupied रहे तो एक मंडे शायद skip हो सकता है. So yeah, please manage and feel check out Instagram, जहाँ पे daily basis पे कुछ ना कुछ short form के videos आते रहते हैं. And if you haven't subscribed to this our channel yet, so please do like, share and subscribe. And this is the artwork the first time as I've created. So you can see that, you know, how much detail I am providing, what quality of workshop I am providing. And even if you don't want to learn, अगर आपको कुछ artwork में से purchase करना है, then please again feel free to reach out to me. I would be very happy to make something for your home. Yeah, bye, see you.